What if I told you the 2026 Nissan Rogue is hiding something Nissan never wanted you to see? Why would one SUV stir up so much mystery? This is not just another crossover, it is a turning point. Stay tuned, because the truth behind this Rogue could change the way you look at family SUVs forever. The real shock is coming, and you will not believe what Nissan has done this time. From the outside, the 2026 Rogue looks bold and futuristic. A sharper grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted body lines make it look more aggressive than ever. The stance feels commanding, almost concept-like. But wait, the exterior is only the surface of the story. Because Nissan has hidden upgrades that make this SUV unlike anything you have seen before. Take a closer look and you will notice every detail. Chrome accents highlight the profile. Redesigned wheels enhance its power. And the rear features a sleek spoiler for aerodynamic edge. It is clear Nissan aimed to shock its rivals. Don't miss what comes next, because the true surprise lies inside. The real secret begins the moment you open the door. Step into the cabin and prepare for a revelation. Premium materials wrap every surface, a panoramic glass roof expands the view, and seating comfort is pushed to luxury levels. But wait until you see the technology Nissan quietly installed. Advanced features that could rival high-end SUVs are now hidden inside the Rogue, turning this crossover into something extraordinary. The technology is where Nissan raises the bar. A massive touchscreen controls the cabin, a digital driver display keeps everything in sight, and an AI assistant responds to your commands. Wireless updates keep it future-ready. Stay tuned, because comfort is only half the story. The real shock is still waiting under the hood, where Nissan has redefined the way this SUV performs. Whispers say Nissan built a hybrid turbocharged powertrain for the Rogue. Imagine strong acceleration blended with incredible efficiency, giving you the best of both worlds. It is powerful, yet practical. But wait, the surprise does not end here. Because when this SUV hits the road, the performance might force every rival to rethink what a family SUV should deliver. On the road, the Rogue feels sharper and more responsive. The steering is confident, acceleration is quick, and the suspension absorbs every bump with ease. It is designed for comfort but delivers excitement. Don't miss this part, because the real shock is in how Nissan plans to price this SUV. The strategy could change the market completely. Insiders suggest Nissan will launch the Rogue with aggressive pricing, undercutting Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. Imagine a premium SUV with advanced features at a cost lower than rivals. Stay tuned, because when value meets innovation, competitors may have no defense. The market could be shaken in ways few expect, and the Rogue will stand at the center of it all. For years, the Rogue has been trusted for safety, comfort, and reliability. Families across the world relied on it. But in 2026, Nissan rewrites its own history. This Rogue is bolder, smarter, and more daring than anything before. The real shock is not just evolution, it is revolution. Nissan is ready to redefine its legacy with this SUV. So here is the truth. The 2026 Nissan Rogue is not what Nissan wants you to see, because it breaks the rules and threatens the status quo. If you love SUVs, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. This is only the beginning, and the next chapter of the Rogue may be even more explosive than what you have just discovered today.